Hey guys, welcome back to Armored Tail. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make airbrush thinner and large quantities of airbrush paint. The ingredients list you'll need is 91% isopropyl alcohol, glycerin, distilled water, and then your paint of choice. Big shout out to Grumpy Modeler and Cosplay Apprentice for this recipe. I will link their pages down below. Make sure you check them out. So the recipe for the airbrush thinner is 175 milliliters of distilled water, 75 milliliters of 91% isopropyl alcohol, and 15 drops of glycerin, all mixed together. We'll start with the water. Hi, Bessette. Oh, I probably should have gotten a smaller jug. Oh, you want the water? Then we will do the isopropyl alcohol. Bessette, you're not going to like this. Please don't sniff it. If I can get it open. There we go. There we go. There's the alcohol. We have the 15 drops of glycerin. This is going to be fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Give it a shake. Get it all mixed up. And now you have thinner. That easy, that quick. So now we're going to get into making paint. First things first, we need paint in the bottle. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, open the paint up. Hopefully not spill it over the table and myself. So we're just gonna get the paint, put the paint in the bottle. I'm just gonna give it a little squeeze. We're gonna go step by step to make sure it's the consistency that we want. We want the consistency of milk. And now we take our thinner that we just made, woohoo, dump it in there. So, boom, I just used a bunch of the thinner. We're going to put the cap on, and we're going to mix. You might want to have something to mix in there if you'd like. I'm just going with the old hand-a-rooney. Now it's yellow, and that is way too liquidy. Way too liquidy. You want it to smear a little bit on the side of the bottle. And this is why I got a napkin, so I don't paint my table yellow. More paint. More paint. I'm just gonna dump a bunch in there. See what happens. What's the worst gonna happen? Yellow. Now it's yellow. So mix. Just imagine you're a centrifuge. Well, now it's yellow. And that might be too yellow. Too thick. Don't know if you can see it sloshing around in there. It's like a paste right now. I want it a little thinner than that. Pour some more liquid in there. Caparoonie. You'll never guess the next step. Mix. Now it's yellow. I need more paint in there now that I put a lot more fluid. Okay. We gotta mix her up. There we have our yellow. This is a good balance. It kind of sloshes like a milk cup. If you like milk, if you're a milk enjoyer. Hey guys, we're actually now gonna paint with the airbrush paint that we made. Go ahead and pour in. So first test. We'll do a little spray on here. That's yellow. Yellow. There we go. We have now made our very own airbrush paint.